Good day guys, Ant here from DMAX X-Terrain Warrior. Just thought I'd share this little hack with you. Some of you may or may not know I'm going up to the Cape in a couple of weeks time, and it's very dusty up there, and one of the biggest issues when you've got a tub full of camping equipment, it does get very dirty. Lots of red dirt everywhere. So there's some companies out there that do these tub seal kits, and they're around about $70. I've used them in the past and they don't retain their stick very well, so they are they do have a lifespan. So I thought I'd try something a little bit cheaper this time. So I went to Bunnings and I bought some of this D-shape 10mm by 10mm seal, 5 meters of it, and it was $9.99, so can't argue with that. Basically, if anyone's interested, I just sealed in, so it's one continuous strip, just went all the way around the outside of the tub, the tailgate there. I then ran a strip along here, and when you get the kits online, they do come with like some foam blocks that go into here, these inserts, and you double-sided sticky tape them on there, and that's what gives you seal at the bottom. What I've done in this instance is just put a little strip of seal along there, both sides. Like that. And for any of you who've looked before, you go in the tailgate and in its original form you can just see daylight through absolutely everywhere. So after doing this mod, I'm actually really happy with how it's turned out. I'll jump in the tub now, shut the door and show you guys what it looks like. That's it. We just shut the tub, and as you can see, it's just total darkness. Lovely. The only issue is right at the top where the roll cover is. There is still a bit of a gap, but there's not really anything you can do about that. But even if it eliminates 80–90% of the dust coming in, I mean, we know what red dirt's like. It's going to get in everywhere where it wants to, but if we can eliminate, there's nothing worse than getting to your destination, cleaning all your camp gear off, and then once you get to your next destination, having to do it all again. So if you subscribe to the channel, and like I say, I'm going to the Cape in a couple of weeks, and I'll do a follow-up video to show you guys how well it held up. See you next time. Thanks guys.